Alright, so we just pulled up to the job site. And this is what I'll be welding right here. I'll be welding the plate right there around, all the way on both sides, all the way down. So this one, those two over there, and I'll be going over here to the other side. So what I'm doing is basically putting a pass in the center, then I'm stacking it, one on the top and then the other one on top of this beam right here. So it's basically 3 passes on there. The only thing supporting this bridge is going to be the actual welds. I mean, it's weird how they made it, but this plate is just, I mean, anchored to this, and then this is welded to the plate, and it's like that with all of them. I would have anchored them and then just welded them extra for support, but that's how they got it. Alright, so it kind of rained out on me right now, so I won't be able to finish this job until probably Monday. I still got to weld the inside of there. Same thing here. This is good, already finished. So I got 1, 2, and I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more braces to do. Again, if it doesn't rain Monday, then I'll be back to finish it. We'll see what happens though.